What up? Still coming to you live from Japan. What we're going to review in today's video is Family Mart. So from what I know, Family Mart is very similar to 7-Eleven, but I think the Japanese prefer Family Mart and the Americans prefer 7-Eleven. I heard the chicken is better at Family Mart, and I think that's kind of it for what I know. So this is going to be my first time ever walking into Family Mart in general, and I'm going to give you guys my POV. This one looks pretty small in comparison to like the 7-Elevens I've seen, but right away once you walk in, that chicken does look bomb. Oh my god. And you even have a little eating area. I did not see this in any of the 7-Elevens. Let me walk around real quick. We got some shirts. I was not expecting that. We got some stuff for the ladies, mascara, eyeshadow, lotion, hand warmers, some other lady things, some face masks, some more just like makeup stuff. I actually kind of want to buy one of these. Oh wow, they're playing Christmas music right now. Your hygiene toothpaste section, dishwash soap, laundry detergent, more magazines, some coffee. This whole thing is hot, as you can see. Like my hand is here, you guys, you can't touch it, but all this is hot. I had a Minute Maid version of this. It was delicious. I haven't found it yet. Here's the sushi, seaweed, this is rice, tuna, salmon, pickled plum. That sounds kind of interesting. This is cool. Some more shrimp and mayonnaise, greens, some more sushi. What's this one, a bean roll? Wow. Some hot food, curry, sushi, more rolls, some sashimi. Apparently this sandwich is like amazing and everyone in the world should buy it. I'm not hungry, so I'm not really gonna buy anything in this video, but hot dog. But I do think I eventually want to buy one of these and eat them just to see what the hype's about. I don't even like egg sandwiches in America though, but when in Japan, do what the Japanese do, I guess. Some salads, glass noodle dumpling. I love hot dogs, but the way they do hot dog stuff over here is a little questionable. But I'm very basic when it comes to hot dogs. I like ketchup, mustard, sauerkraut. That's it. I don't like whatever the hell this is, or that the hot dogs are so huge over here. Like, I'm not buying one of those, and I'm supposed to be the hot dog guy. Pork tongue. Here's your meats. Some nice dumplings, that's kind of cool. Some more beefs. This looks good. Spicy grilled chicken. Looks very seasoned. Here are the cheeses, cold cuts, salads, teas, corn. Here are the smoothies. I had this one, if you saw my 7-Eleven video, not very good. This looks cool. More coffees over here. Let me walk down the aisles really quickly. Hopefully they're not just looking at me like, yo, look at this guy Gene recording this entire store. I gotta buy something actually, yeah. The way that cashier was just staring at me, I have to buy something. So let's see what I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna bring something just to bring home, I guess. I'll buy like some of these like ramens and curries and stuff like that, but yeah, I gotta buy something. I wish you guys could have just seen the death stare I just got. But alright, let's see. Here's all the pasta. There's some rice. Maybe I'll buy this. I have no idea what it is. Oh, it's seasoning maybe? I don't know, but I'm definitely cashing out now. Some more seasonings. trying to really see what else. Some ramens. Should I buy one of these? Nah. Ooh, butter ramen? Concentrated kimchi soup base. Oh, it's just the base. I was gonna say, I was touching the bag, I didn't really feel any noodles. Some miso, some vegetable oils, coffees, teas. I might buy some tea actually. Let me hit up my friend because he wants some tea. Is this hot chocolate? Because I love hot chocolate. I might buy that actually. What else? Here are some pens, some chargers, face masks, Puma face masks, tissues, batteries, lighters, e-cigarettes I'm assuming. Yeah, definitely e-cigarettes. I might buy this hot chocolate though. Oh, milk cocoa. Maybe I'll buy this one. Yeah, I'm definitely buying something though, I have to. Here's the ramen side. Oh yeah, definitely. Jen, if you're watching this video right now, I'm about to call you. Alright, so I got my basket. I know I said I wasn't gonna buy anything, but I'm definitely about to buy a bunch of stuff now. So I wanna buy some hot chocolate. I'm gonna buy 2 of these. I had them yesterday and they're delicious. It's like a, I don't know how to describe it. It's like A1 sauce, but not A1 sauce because it's sweeter and not as thick. But we're gonna buy that. We're going to buy this. No idea what it is. We're going to buy, I didn't finish showing you guys everything, so we'll do that at the same time. But here's the little dessert side. Here's some chips, some sweets. I should buy this. That's probably good. Should I buy some minis? Here's some nuts. Pockies we got back home, so I'm not gonna buy that. I heard these are really good actually. Nah, it's gonna get crushed on my luggage. Behind me, more snacks, more sweets, some high chews. I definitely bought those already. I should get some of these small bars. Let's see, I get this one. What's this? It looks like rice. Yeah, we're definitely gonna buy that. What's this? Yeah, yellow. What else? I don't really want chips. It's gonna get crushed. Let's look at the ice cream section really quickly. Here we have some soups. So I'm going to get this. Where's the spicy miso soup? I was just looking at it, but here's a bunch of like miso soups, and I think of more of like Japanese soups in comparison to like the cup of noodles, which is like an American brand. You have some of the bakery stuff here. Butter cake, which looks like pound cake. I'm actually gonna buy that. Here are some of the other desserts. Tuna and corn in a bread. I would have to say, because I kind of walked around a little bit, the things they have here are definitely a little stranger than 7-Eleven. For example, like tuna and corn. Even the names are kind of weird. Like this is just called milk. Like how could this be milk? There's another one I picked up earlier too. What are these croissants called? Salted bread? Like how is this salted bread? But this is what really stole the cake right here. This is just corn, cheese, and bread. I don't even know what to say about that. Tuna. This pizza bread actually looks pretty good. A bacon, egg, and cheese, but the Japanese way. And then they have like shrimp, hot dogs coming out the bun, bacon, egg, and cheese again, just noodles and bread. Very, very odd. Behind me, drinks are kind of the same. I think these are all the seltzers. These are also beers. Here are the milkshakes that they stir for you. I think that's how you do it. Yeah, you have to bring them the cup. And I think this one, they makes it for you over there. I'll show you guys. Some vegetables. More quick, like little TV dinners. Where's that miso soup though? It was like a spicy miso soup that I wanted to buy. Oh, right here. Spicy miso soup with 6 type of vegetables. We want that. What else really should I get? I think that's kind of it. I'm gonna show you guys the famous chicken in a second. But we went through all the aisles. This is the alcohol. They're really big on whiskey here. I don't really see like tequila or anything like that. Maybe they don't drink white unless it's like sake. But I see a lot of like dark and whiskey and stuff like that. Here are the buns. Pork, pizza, red bean, which I tried. It was disgusting. And then here's the famous chicken. I really don't want one, but I think I'm gonna grab one just to do it. Probably gonna get the fried chicken salt. And then here's some nuggets, spicy fried chicken. Actually, I'm gonna get the spicy fried chicken. And then meatballs, all that good stuff. But alright, let's pay. Do one last run before I get out of here. Yeah, I don't think there's anything here that I want. So let me just grab that spicy chicken and then we'll get out of here. Hold on. We are now leaving Family Mart. If I had to rate this as of right now compared to 7-Eleven, I personally like it more because I feel like 7-Eleven has a lot of like Americanized stuff. Like there's a lot of things here that I've never seen before, just period. I've never seen corn and cheese on a bread. Like I didn't see that at any 7-Elevens. I do want to try this spicy fried chicken really quickly before I end this video. So let me pull over right here and see if this is really worth the hype, because abroad in Japan and a lot of other channels say that this is the best chicken in Japan or just ever. I'm gonna have to strongly disagree. It looks almost raw. I do not like this at all. What a bad way to end this video, Family Mart. Come on. It even fell on the floor. That's how terrible it is. Besides that though, Family Mart cool. This chicken, very uncool.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.